Among the petitioners in this consolidated petition are whales, dolphins, porpoises, and other marine species which inhabit the waters in the Tanyan Strait. They are collectively referred to as the resident marine mammals. They are joined by other individuals as their legal guardians and as friends, collectively known as the stewards, who seek the protection of the aforementioned marine species. The petitioners also include the Central Visayas Fisherfolk Development Center, a non-governmental organization established for the welfare of the marginal fisherfolk in Region 7 and other representatives of the fisherfolk community. Meanwhile, the respondents in both petitions are Angela Reyes, then Secretary of the Department of Energy, and other individuals and entities such as the Chairman of the Tanyan Strait Protected Seascape Management Board and Japan Petroleum Exploration Company, also known as JAPEX. The controversy started when the government of the Philippines entered into a geophysical survey and exploration contract 102, also known as GSEC 102, with Japan Petroleum Exploration Company. The contract involved geological and geophysical studies of the Tanyan Strait. JAPEX also conducted geophysical and satellite surveys as well as oil and gas sampling in Tanyan Strait. Later, DOE and JAPEX formally converted GSEC 102 into Service Contract 46 for the exploration, development, and production of petroleum resources covering approximately 2,850 square kilometers offshore of the Tanyan Strait. Then, JAPEX conducted seismic surveys in and around the Tanyan Strait. JAPEX committed to drill one exploration well during the second subphase of the project. Since the well was to be drilled in the marine waters where the Tanyan Strait was declared a protected seascape, JAPEX agreed to comply with the environmental impact assessment requirements. Subsequently, the Protected Area Management Board of the Tanyan Strait favorably recommended the approval of JAPEX application for an ECC. The DENR Region 7 granted an ECC to the DOE and JAPEX for the offshore oil and gas exploration project in Tanyan Strait. Months later, JAPEX began to drill an exploratory well. The petitioners protested the adverse ecological impact of JAPEX oil exploration activities in the Tanyan Strait. They also impute the incidences of fish kill to the seismic survey. The respondents, through the Solicitor General, contend that resident marine mammals and stewards have no legal standing to file the present petition. Do animals or even inanimate objects have the legal standing to file the instant petition? The court ruled in the affirmative. In our jurisdiction, locus standi in environmental cases has been given a more liberalized approach. While developments in Philippine legal theory and jurisprudence have not progressed as far as Justice Douglas's paradigm of legal standing for inanimate objects, the current trend moves towards simplification of procedures and facilitating court access in environmental cases. Recently, the court passed the landmark rules of procedure for environmental cases, which allow for a citizen suit and permit any Filipino citizen to file an action before our courts for violations of our environmental laws. Moreover, even before the rules of procedure for environmental cases became effective, the court had already taken a permissive position on the issue of locus standi in environmental cases. In Oposa versus Factoran, the court allowed the suit to be brought in the name of generations yet unborn based on the concept of intergenerational responsibility insofar as the right to a balanced and healthful ecology is concerned. In light of the foregoing, the need to give the resident marine mammals legal standing has been eliminated by the rules, which allow any Filipino citizen as a steward of nature to bring a suit to enforce our environmental laws. It is worth noting here that the stewards are joined as real parties in the petition and not just in representation of the named cetacean species. The stewards, having shown in their petition that there may be possible violation of laws concerning the habitat of the resident marine mammals are therefore declared to possess the legal standing to file this petition.